I filmed supermodels in desert light, kids on the street in Havana. I've lit million-dollar sets with Hollywood stars and run and gun through Tokyo alleys. But this is different. A cinema camera that fits in your hand, yet sees the world like a director does. Boxing rings, BMX stunts in the spray-painted dust, wild horses stepping into the sea at sunset. It sculpts moments. It's built to move, yet it doesn't compromise. With this camera, I'm telling a love story. Two souls chasing rhythm. It's a camera built to express movement, instinct, and love.